mood for some Bob Marley. I heard him years back really, in those hippie days, and I'm not into that jazz at all. But he sang some sweet songs. I mean, I'm not into any revolution, fighting anybody and all that jazz. I'm a Mahmood. In India, he was the greatest comedian, or a Charlie Chaplin. I just want to be a monkey, spread some love and joy. Of course, I criticize a lot of people. They say, an English philosopher said, you know who you're ruled by who you're not allowed to criticize. I don't like that. No, criticism is healthy. Criticize me, I'll learn from it. I'm willing to learn. Everybody should be willing to learn. Everybody's your teacher. If you only think your father is your teacher, you're a fool. I go to the chai shop. He's such a teacher to me. There's Imran, Yadav, they all teach me. A lot of things they teach me. I learn from everybody. Even people, your biggest enemy is actually your biggest teacher. And your biggest failure is your greatest teacher. Anyway, it's a beautiful song. 3 little birds are on my doorstep. Woke up this morning on a day. 3 little birds upon my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is a message to you. So I say, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I say, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I say, don't worry about a thing. Woke up this morning without a thing. 3 little birds on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. This is a message to you. So I say, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I say, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I say, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Nice. Beautiful mood he wrote this song. I really appreciate the moment. And so deep. 3 little birds upon my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melody pure and true. This is a message to you. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Cheers. God bless you all.